Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and today is 1st of February 2026, and this is the fourth strategy for today. As stated earlier in our first videos, for the first week of February 2026, we're going to be dropping between 5 to 6 accumulator strategies. We've been winning with this one for the past few months now. We've been making like 1,500 every week. Of course, we can't keep it to ourselves. This is what we do. We love to share free stuffs. We've been doing this for the past 15 years. For those who have been following us for the past 15 years on our first strategy video channels that we're taking down. So this is the fourth one for today. We'd like to thank all our subscribers and our viewers globally. And so I spotted that right here. So I'm going to explain this to you because I saw the numbers going up right there. That's why I click on buy there. So you can see we won that trade. So this is the fourth one, and here we'll be trading the volatility 51x, and we're using the MACD. So once you log into your trading account, you go to volatility 51x, go to the indicator right there, momentum, click on MACD. You're going to see it right here. Go to the trade type here, accumulator, growth 4%, stake 15 USD, depends on what you have in your account. Then the take profit here will be 4. Volatility 50 1x and 25 1x rebound so far, so you have to pay attention to the next step I'm going to say right here. So we're going to be placing our trade here when the number here is between 3 and 5. Between 3 and 5, it is always good to go in when it's 3 and 4. So the number here is 28 now, 29, 30, because this rebound fast, and once it rebounds, you're going to lose your money. So once it's between 3 and 5, it will be 3, 4, 5. Make sure you place your trade when it's 3, 4, or 5. Don't let it exceed it. Don't let it go below that. So between 3, that's 0 right there, to 3. So you can see I placed that trade when it was 3. I placed it when it was 3. So it has to be between 3 and 5. You can say we want that trade right there. It rebounds so fast. Once it rebounds, you're going to lose your money. So make sure you pay attention to that. We're watching this number. We're watching this number right here. So we're going to go again, and that's going to be our last trade because we have to drop more strategies today. As stated earlier, we're going to be dropping between 5 and 6 strategies. Make sure you're subscribed to all the channels, all the 3 channels. Make sure you subscribe to all the channels, and make sure you're sharing our videos, you're commenting. That's 0, that's 2, that's 3. So that's 4 we went in right there, and that's going to be the last trade for this section. So you can see we won that trade again, so make sure you pay attention to this. Like I stated earlier, we make about 1,500 every week using these 6 strategies I dropped this week, February 1st 2026. So make sure you subscribe to watch all the strategies. That's what we've been using for the past 2 months, and we've been making a lot of money. So if you watch and follow carefully, you're going to make a lot of money. So that's going to be it. And for those who haven't purchased the trust paper boat, that's the boat right there, is 9.99 USD, is still effective, and it's also on Deriv, and the piece cheaper board as well is 7.99 USD. The links to order them will be in the video description, and we're still giving away free gift as well. When you order any of our bots, you get a buy sell indicator for free, and you also get some bots for free. So here is the buy sell indicator right here. The market is currently at standstill right now. You can see the indicator right here. It works on Deriv MT5, and you can use it to trade your Forex pairs, your static indices. As you can see, is on V25 right there. You can see this is a buy indicator. It went all the way up. Imagine if you place a trade right here, you will make a lot of money. And you can see a sell indicator right there. It went all the way down. So that's how it works. It shows you when to buy and when to sell. It works on Deriv MT5, and you can use it to trade your Forex pairs, your volatility index, and all of that. We're still giving it away for free, and when you order any of our bots as well, you get it for free. The links to get all these are right there in the video description. We're going to copy and paste them in the video description. So for those who don't have a trading account, this is the link to sign up for a free trading account to test all the strategies on demo before you go live. And this is the link to subscribe to our channel. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. And for the buy sell indicator, if you don't have a trading account, you're going to get it for free. So all you have to do is to sign up for a free trading account using the link above. Then send an email to this email address. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account as stated earlier. So send an email to the email address right here with the last 3 digits of your account. This is the email. Check the video description for all these infos. The last 3 digits of your account. Once we confirm your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, here is the link to order the indicator for $12. And when you order any of our bots, you get the indicator for free as well. For the Pip Stripper board, this is the link to order the Pip Stripper board, and this is the link to order the Toscaper board. And for those who don't have a trading account, as stated earlier, use this link to sign up for a free trading account to test the strategies on demo before you go live. And here is the link to subscribe to our channel. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels. We drop strategies across all the channels regularly. And there are other infos there that might be useful. Check the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.